Okay, this is for grade 12S, especially Hassan. This is for you. You asked me this question for SET Math 2 level 1. The function f defined by f of x equal quarter x cubed minus half x squared minus 5 over 4x plus 3 over 2 for minus 2 less than or equal x less than or equal 3. We want to find the difference. We have to find the difference between the maximum and the minimum, the difference between the maximum and the minimum values of f. How we can do that? How we can find a minimum and maximum value of f of x over this interval from minus 2 to 3 inclusive? We need to find three things. First, we need to find where derivative of x equals 0. Second, we should find where the function f is not differentiable, and we need to find the values of the endpoints of this function f. First, let's start with f prime. F prime of x equals to, according to this f of x here, it's a 3 over 4 x squared, derivative of quarter x cubed, then derivative of minus half x squared, which is 2 times half 1x, then the derivative of minus 5 over 4x is minus 5 over 4, and the derivative of constant number 3 over 2 is 0. Now we should find where f prime of x equal to 0. If f prime of x equal to 0, let us multiply the whole equation by 4 to get rid of the denominator. So it will be 3x squared minus 4x minus 5 equal 0. So then we have to find delta. Delta is b squared minus 4ac, and how much is that? b is minus 4 all square minus 4 all square minus 4ac, 4 times a, which is 3, and times c, which is minus 5. Then the answer will be minus 4 squared is 16, and minus 4 times 3 minus 12 times minus 5 is plus 60. So the final answer of delta is 76, positive 76. So we have two distinct roots. One of the axes we need is one of the roots where the derivative of the function is equal to 0. So it is what? It's minus b, which is minus of minus 4. It's 4 minus radical delta, which is minus radical 76, over 2 times a, and a is 3, so over 6. And that is equal to 4 minus, what is radical 76 equals to? Radical 76 is radical 4 times 19. So the answer is 2 radical 19. So it's 4 minus 2 radical 19 divided by 6, which is equal 2 common. That will be 2 minus radical 19. And since 2 common, divided by 6 down, so it will be 3. And the other root will be x2, which is equal to plus radical 19 over 3. Now, if we use the calculator, this value will be equal to negative 0.79. Negative 0.79. It's not equal. It's approximately equal for sure. It's approximately equal negative 0.79, and this value will be approximately equal to 2.12. 2.12. Now we do what in this case? This is for f prime of x equals 0. And what's about f is not differentiable? Is f differentiable, or where f is differentiable or not differentiable? Look at f of x. F of x is a polynomial. Remember, we said that, we know that when f of x is a polynomial function, then it is differentiable. It is differentiable over all R, everywhere in R. The endpoints, we have two endpoints, which are minus 2 and 3, according to my interval here. What's the meaning of minus 2 less than or equal x less than or equal to 3? This means the interval I we're working with is from minus 2 to 3 inclusive closed interval. So let's find now the 4 points. Why the 4 points? Altogether, sorry, altogether we have 4 points here in the interval, two from derivative and two from the endpoints to examine and at any extreme values of f can only occur when x is one of those 4 points. So let's find the f of minus 2. F of minus 2 by replacing f of f equal minus 2 in this expression here, in this polynomial, instead of x minus 2, we are going to get, you can do the calculations, guys. You can do the calculations on the calculator, and you're going to get 0 as an answer. F of 3, which is one of the endpoints, also it will be equal to 0. F of I'm not doing the calculations here because it's just 10 minutes. The video time is only 10 minutes. Now, f of minus 0.79, that is equal, f of minus 0.79 will be equal to 2.052, also by replacing minus 0.79 in the original function, 2.052. And finally, the fourth point, f of 2.19, which is this other root in the derivative, it will be equal to minus 1.015. In these 4 points, which one is the maximum point? The maximum point is where the maximum point of the interval minus 2 and 3, and for sure minus 0.79 and 2.12 are in this interval. So the maximum point between these 3 points, actually, because 0, 0 the same, and here 2.72 and here minus 1.015, the maximum point is this one, maximum, and the minimum point is this one, minimum. And we need to find the difference minus between the maximum point and the minimum point. This means we need to know 2.052 is the maximum minus the minimum point, which is minus 1.015 will be plus 1.015, and that will be 3.067. So it's approximately 3.07, and the correct answer in this case will be D, 3.07. And this is the correct answer for sure, and not this one, Hassan. Okay.